Okay, so we are now in the third part. So we're done with the first and the second part. Now let's try to solve out for the third part. Now, if you can see out here, we have for the C, it is x squared minus x minus 2 equals to 0 then. Now, looking out here, let's try to have to factor the quadratic equation and find the two numbers that multiply to 2 or to negative 2 and add 1. Now add negative 1. So these are negative 2 and 1 down here. So let's go try to factor it out then here. So that's going to be x minus 2 times x plus 1. So it equals to 0 then. Now we set out here as a factor of 0. So that's going to give us with the answers of x equals to x minus 2 equals to 0, in which we have x equals to 2. Now for the other one down here, we have x plus 1 equals to 0. Now x is equals to negative 1. So that is how we've able to find out for the answer then.